Hello friends, welcome once again to Abenasia's recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's recipe, I'm sharing spaghetti meatballs. Let's begin with a pot of water on, and then I'll add a tablespoon of salt. For my ingredients, I have breadcrumbs, marinara sauce, crushed tomatoes, 2 pounds spaghetti, fresh basil, fresh parsley, garlic and oregano, chopped onions. I have bay leaf and garlic cloves, 2 eggs, Parmesan cheese, 2 pounds of ground beef, salt, black pepper and oil. My ground beef is 85 lean, 15 fat. I'll add my fresh basil, fresh parsley, garlic and oregano. I'll add 2 eggs. I'll then add some chopped onions, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'll mix everything together until it is very well combined. My water has boiled, so I'll add my spaghetti and then I'll cook this until it is al dente. It's okay to cook it a little soft. That's how the kids like it anyway. Whilst my spaghetti is cooking, I've drizzled oil on my cutting board and I'm ready to form my meatballs. I'll be forming my meatballs into 1 inch worth of meat. You can use your hand to roll the balls, or you can roll the balls on the cutting board, and that is the reason why I drizzle the oil on the cutting board. It actually helps form the balls very neatly and very nice. The cutting board is my preferred way of rolling my meatballs. I got 30 meatballs out of my 2 pound ground beef, and there's my meatball all done and perfectly rolled. It's time to check my spaghetti and it is cooked, so I'll strain the water into a strainer and then drizzle oil on my spaghetti, and then I'll use my tongue to mix it up and set that on the side. In a pot, I'll drizzle 3 tablespoons of oil and then I'll add my meatballs. I'll be cooking my meatballs in 2 batches so that I don't overcrowd the pan, and I'll saute it until it is all browned on all sides, about 6 minutes total or 2 minutes per side. My first batch is perfectly browned, so I'll remove it out of the pot and then set that on the side, and then I'll repeat the same cooking process for the second batch. Please do not skip the browning step when making spaghetti and meatballs. Browning your meatballs create a nice texture on the outside of the meatballs, allowing the middle to remain tender and juicy when it finished cooking in the tomato sauce. So I recommend you brown your meatballs before adding it to your tomato sauce. My second batch is done cooking now, so I'll remove it out of the pot and set that on the side. In the same pan, I'm drizzling about 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I'll come in with my chopped onions. I'll give it a stir and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. I'll then come in with my chopped fresh garlic. I'll give it a mix and I'll leave it for about 1 minute to cook. At this point in time, I'll come in with my crushed tomatoes and my marinara sauce. I'll give it a mix and then I'll add in 1 bay leaf. I'll cover and I'll leave it to cook for about 10 minutes, but I'll be stirring periodically within the 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll then come in with my meatballs. I'll give everything a gentle stir and then I'll cover and cook at a gentle simmer for 30 minutes, but I'll be stirring periodically. I'll season my sauce with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I have chopped fresh basil, and I'll allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. It is time to add my spaghetti. Once my spaghetti goes into the sauce, I'll toss gently to combine. And guys, this is a big pot of spaghetti and meatballs, so I'm using the support of 2 wooden spoons to toss and mix my spaghetti, and I'll garnish my spaghetti with extra Parmesan cheese. I'll cover to let the cheese melt. That's how the kids love it. And voila, dinner is served. Spaghetti and meatballs. And we enjoyed our spaghetti with garlic bread steak. Very delicious. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. And if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe. Like, hit the notification bell so anytime I upload, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.